There is a large variety of different reporting functions available to Luxor CRM. You can build any number of reports on any kind of data you want. For example, we have activity reports, lead reports, contacts, support, basically any activity that goes on in Luxor, you can generate a report from that. Now we're going to quickly take a look at some of the more popular reports and what they can do. So let's build an opportunities pipeline report by salespeople. This will let us see how many opportunities are currently open and who they belong to. So we'll go to Opportunities Report, and we'll name this one Open Pipeline. We'll select the fields we want to see. So we want to see company name, the closing percentage, the value and weighted value, the tracking group, and I'd like to see the primary contact. We're going to filter by opportunity status as open. You can also apply more than just the one filter. You can go on and filter by as many different fields as you want. After that, you can group by different things. So I'm going to group this by salesperson. I'll further subgroup by tracking group. And you can also apply different calculations to the fields. I want to see the value, and I want to see the sum. You can also look at the minimum or the maximum or the average. So let's save and view this report. Over here, we have the different filtering criteria. So first, it's separated by owner, Monica Toronto, and then Monica 1. And then it's sub-filtered by different tracking groups. Over here, you can see are the calculations that I selected. So it sums up the value in the tracking group, and then it sums it up to the owner as well. You can filter and group by as many different fields as you want. There is no limit. In this case, I only filter by one field and group by 2, but you can do as many as you want. Also, with the values, I only calculate this one field, which was value. You can also calculate different values for value, weighted value, as well as closing. So there is basically no end to how you can make this report work for you. It's very flexible and very customizable. That was a look at the opportunities report. Let's look at some others now. Many of the other reports, such as leads and contacts, will operate similarly to the opportunities report. Those are the ones that are really flexible and customizable. And we do have some canned reports as well, or standard ones. So for example, let's take a look at the activity report. Let's say I want to see the activity that has been generated in the last week. I would just click Generate. And here's my activity report. This one is canned and templated. I didn't have to do any filtering or criteria. It just shows me all the activities that have been created within the last week. All the reports can be exported. Up here, you would select the format you export it to, and that's for all of them, including the one I just showed you. You can build any type of report on any sort of data you want, and also you can have the reports graphically represented in the dashboards. These are the dashboards you can drag and drop. So if you want to move things around to suit what you need. These dashboards give you a good look into your sales pipeline. You can see the top opportunities, your top salespeople, revenue by month, etc. And you build these yourself, so you can set it to whatever you want to see. Down here you have a quota meter. And to complement your quota, you have your delta quota, and that shows how much of your quota is remaining. So right now I have 0, I haven't reached any of it, so my delta is the full remaining amount. You can see things such as your top closed opportunities, lead by source, basically anything you can see through the report, you can see on the dashboard graphically represented. So that was reports and dashboards. To learn more about Luxor CRM, please contact us today for a personalized product demonstration.